And now, a quick announcement from Sporp.
How you doing? Internet micro-celebrity Sporp here. I know I've been spotty with my uploads over the past few months, and that's because I've been working on something in the background. I've noticed that over my time on YouTube, only one project of mine has seemed to really taken off, so I opted to try to really drive in on it and see if I could make it successful. And that one little thing I was working on was my Instagram unfollower series. So I created a way to figure out via Instagram data to see who isn't following you back. And because I've gotten around 90,000 views between those two videos, I opted to turn it into a paid web app. The reason I turned it into a paid web app is so I can get some money out of it. Between maintaining it, web hosting, my time, I've only lost money on this project so far, so I figured I'm gonna stop supporting the free version. I'll leave it up. Eventually, I'm sure at some point Instagram's gonna mess with their data and it will break. So if I'm gonna continue to support something, I'd like to get some cash on the side. So if you wanna use the next version of my Unfollower app, which I have now dubbed the Digital Leech Finder, and actually got to use some artwork from a friend of mine in high school, the link for the new tutorial and the link to the new site is now in the description. It allows you to upload multiple files at once, which I know is a complaint that I've gotten before. It allows you to see analytics over time, and it allows me to support myself and this effort so I can keep this app running. And that's it. Thank you so much for your time. Go check it out. Let me know what you think, because I know like at least half of my subscribers are only here for the Unfollower series, so this is for you. You have a nice one.
And if this thing doesn't take off at all, then I'll just turn it into a quick little how to make a web app thing from it. Who knows? The future is unknown. See ya.